Morning. Okay, I'll finish them, then I'll take your attendance. All right? Devesh, switch on your video. Devesh Motwani, please. On your video now. I want to hear from you. Okay, Ritika is there. Ritika, please let me know what we mean by ruminants.
Any animal that brings back food from its stomach and chew it away.
All right. So why they do so? Okay, give me the example. Any one example for this?
Cow.
All right, cow is the example.
sheep.
Okay. Okay, sheep. Any other example? Anybody can give?
Deer, buffaloes.
All right, all right. Okay, so now, okay, so we are going to start with that only. Okay, I'm going to share my screen with you guys. Let me know if it is visible to you. Palak, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So here today we are going to
Yes,
start
ma'am,
with the
visible.
ruminants only. See, who are ruminants? Ruminants are, as you guys told me, जो अपने एक बार swallow कर लेते हैं. See, what we do? First we chew our food and then we swallow it. Am I right? We do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we chew our food properly and then we swallow it and then the food get digested. But what these ruminants do, they usually don't chew their food first. They just swallow it first and after that they bring it back later on to get it chewed. And that's why these are known as ruminants. Okay, who is going to? Sujal, can you tell me why they do so? क्यों करते हैं वो ऐसा? Sujal Nanwani, may I get the answer from you? Sujal,
Ma'am, repeat the question.
I'm asking that why they do so. If we are saying that these animals do this, they don't chew their food, they just swallow it, swallow the whole food and then they bring it back. Why? Why they do so? That is my question. Anybody else can answer?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, to avoid being caught
Ma'am, I'm carnivorous से बचने के लिए.
बिल्कुल to avoid being caught by the predators, right? उनको कोई पकड़ ना ले, इसीलिए वो ऐसा करते हैं. Okay, so if I talk about ruminants, then their this stomach is divided into 4 chambers. Okay, digestive stomach, rumen, reticulum, omasum and abomasum. Okay, 4 parts में divide होता है. Okay, now let's discuss in detail that how the digestion occur actually with them. See, this is the reticulum part. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
this is the reticulum. सबसे पहले food कहाँ जाता है? Where the food goes first?
Reticulum.
In reticulum. It's the second one.
Sorry.
It goes in. Yes, it goes in rumen first. Okay, this is the abomasum. All right, here, are you able to see this green part? This is the 4th one, abomasum. All right. So, what happened इनके अंदर? See, what they usually eat. What type of food habit they are having? Are they herbivore, carnivore? What are these animals?
Herbivorous.
Yes, these are herbivores, right? So if you are saying these are herbivores, then what they will eat?
Grass.
They will eat plants. Yes, they will eat plants only. And you know, plants are having a cell wall on them, right? And this cell wall is composed of cellulose only. And it's not possible for us to digest cellulose, but these animals can digest cellulose. You know how? Because they are having some cellulose digesting bacteria with them in their stomach, right? Which help them to do so. And along with that, अगर मैं rabbit की बात करूं और horses की बात करूं, तो उनकी digestive system में एक extra part होता है which is known as cecum, right? And what is the function of this cecum? To digest the cellulose part. Okay, because cellulose digestion is not so easier. सो इनके अंदर जो कार्बोहाइड्रेट होता है जो जिसको सेल्यूलोज बोलते हैं, वो जो कि ग्रास में प्रेजेंट होता है, वो इनको डाइजेस्ट करना होता है. सो स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ बैक्टीरिया आर प्रेजेंट इन देयर स्टमक, right? So in ruminants, some bacteria are present in the rumen that help in the digestion of cellulose. And animals are like horse and rabbits, they are having a large structure जिसको सीकम बोलते हैं, वो इनके पास present होता है. Okay, see these are the bacteria, right? इस तरह के bacteria के अलग-अलग shapes and sizes होते हैं. So bacteria are present जो कि उनकी हेल्थ सेल्यूलोज के डाइजेशन में हेल्प करते हैं. See, I was telling you about the cecum now, which is present in horse, rabbit, etc. The digestive system of horses and rabbits. See, this is the cecum, the green part. Are you guys able to see the cecum?
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Is it clear now?
सीकम का वर्क क्या होता है?
Huh?
सीकम
Cecum का okay. The function of cecum is to digest the cellulose. ओके तो ये हॉर्स रैबिट मैंने नहीं बोला कि ये काऊ में भी प्रेजेंट होता है. काऊ के अंदर तो some bacteria are present in rumen, right, which help them to digest cellulose. But if I talk about rabbit, horses, etc., they are having this extra part in their digestive system, this green color, which is known as cecum, responsible for what it is responsible to digest. Speak up. To digest.
cellulose.
Yes, to digest the cellulose. Okay, तो ये rabbit का digestive system है.
Ma'am, your voice is not
Stomach
clear.
है.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
My voice is not clear.
My voice is not clear.
All intestine. उसके बाद now.
Ma'am, my voice is not clear.
Is it clear now?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Then first of all, mute yourself. Please mute yourself. My voice will be automatically clear to you when you will mute yourself. Okay, you are having the facility to unmute whenever it is required. All right. Very good. Very nice. Very obedient class. Okay. We cannot see. My question was, are we also able to digest cellulose? No, we are not, because neither we are having these type of bacteria nor we are having cecum to digest. Okay, तो हम नहीं कर सकते ये. All right. So here I'm going to. All right. Now let me know which is the largest part among all these. I have 4 parts of these now. काऊ के 4 मैंने parts बताए. That human. Still, it's not clear. Which part is the biggest and which is the smallest? Can anybody tell?
The biggest. Human.
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, human is the largest.
Ma'am, human.
Ma'am, human is the largest.
Ma'am, human is the largest.
Human is the largest.
Hey, don't give me collective answers. I know all of you have read this chapter very well. But don't give collective answers. Okay, yes, you guys are right. And which is the smallest chamber?
Ma'am, omasum.
Yes, ma'am.
You may get questions like these. Which is the largest chamber? Which is the smallest chamber? Which animals are having cecum with them in their digestive system? Okay. All right. So now I'm starting with the amoeba. Ruminants are clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is amoeba? What is amoeba?
Microscopic single-celled organism.
Palak, only Palak will speak. Yes, Palak?
Amoeba is a celled organism.
It is amoeba. It's an unicellular organism?
Amoeba
Amoeba is a microscopic
An
single-celled
unicellular.
organism.
Yes. Now mute yourself, everyone. Again, mute yourself. Quickly. Very good. Do it quickly. Still, I'm getting sound from somewhere. Very nice. Still, someone is unmuted. Still, two are unmuted. Okay, so I was telling you about amoeba. See, amoeba is a unicellular organism. Unicellular organism is which is made up of one single cell. Okay, so see, this is the amoeba. It can change its shape anytime. All right, it's having this type of shape and it can change the shape of its body anytime. Single cell का बना हुआ होता है. Microscopic means it could be seen only in microscope. Okay, and these are the pseudopodias. All right, ये जो false feet निकल रहे हैं ना green color के, are you able to see this? These are pseudopodias. Okay, now I'm going to show you how it take its food. See, amoeba के अंदर भी 5 steps होते हैं. Okay, we are also having 5 steps ना, ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and ejection. They also follow the same. But ऐसा नहीं है कि इनकी बॉडी के अंदर इंजेक्शन नहीं होता या डाइजेशन नहीं होता या एब्जॉर्प्शन नहीं होता, सब होता है, बट विद सिंगल सेल ओनली. दे आर यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स. ओके, इरेगुलर शेप होता है, कभी भी शेप चेंज कर लेते हैं. And they are having a cell membrane, a round and dense nucleus, and small vacuoles in their body. Okay, this is the shape of amoeba. Now, let me show you how it captures its food. Are you able to see here? Ingestion is starting. See, this red one is the food particle for amoeba. It's a small bacteria which amoeba is going to eat. Okay. Now, when this bacteria will come in contact of this amoeba, what will happen? इसके जो 2 pseudopodia हैं, वो इसको enclose करने की कोशिश करेंगे. Okay, and they will start fusing slowly. See, are you able to see how it is enclosing? How the pseudopodias are enclosing this food particles? Okay, and what will happen now? जब ये इसको enclose कर लेंगे, तो यहाँ पर पूरा एक वैक्यूल बन जाएगा. सी, अब enclose कर लिया, वापस fuse हो गए pseudopodia with each other. Okay, and now this food vacuole has been made. Now the food will get digested inside this food vacuole, and when the food will get digested, it will be used into the cytoplasm only. Okay, digested food is directly absorbed into the cytoplasm. See over here, this is the digested food. It is getting consumed into the cytoplasm directly, and this organism will get the energy with this. Okay, now see, 4 steps we have discussed. पहले क्या हुआ? Ingestion, then digestion, then absorption, assimilation, and finally ejection. अब जो undigested food होगा, again with the help of pseudopodia, it will be ejected out from the body. See, these are the 6 steps. Okay, bacteria came in contact of these pseudopodia. They will start enclosing this food particle. These pseudopodia will start fusing with one another. Food vacuole will be made, and food will get digested inside this food vacuole. And digested food will get consumed directly, absorbed directly into the cytoplasm. And undigested food will again go out. Yes, dear Sujal?
मैम, अमीबा में भी ऐसा प्रोसेस होता है, तो वो ऐसे अजीब सा क्यों दिखता है?
अजीब सा क्यों दिखता है? It's a small microscopic animal है, ये अपना shape change कर सकता है ना. Pseudopodia is helping them. You may get a question that what is the function of pseudopodia in amoeba? So what is the function of pseudopodia? इसमें help करते हैं, इनकी locomotion में भी help करते हैं, इनकी तैरने में भी help करते हैं. They help them to procure their food also.
मैम, ये किसी भी तरह की शेप ले सकता है क्या?
Yes, it may be. Anytime it can change the shape of its body through the pseudopodia. Okay, is it clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
Now, can you guys tell me what is the difference and what are the similarities between the digestive system of amoeba and humans? We have discussed the digestive system of humans, of ruminants, and as well as of amoeba also. Now, who can tell me what are the similarities between the digestive system of amoeba and humans? क्या same है?
Ma'am, 6 steps.
Okay, very good that we are having 6, no 5. कौन से 6 step है? Can you tell me the 6 steps? Yes, speak up.
digestion,
Ma'am, 5
absorption,
accumulation,
ingestion,
and
ejection.
Yes. अब 6 step बताना कौन सा आपने वो नया वो किया है. मेरे हिसाब से 5 ही steps है.
Ma'am, 5 ही है.
Okay, so 5 steps are there only. All right, this is the common that we are, both of us are having holozoic nutrition with 5 common steps. All right, any other similarity?
मैम आपने 6 तरीके में समझाया है तो इसलिए 6 लगा था उसको.
Okay, no issue.
इसका भी एक डाइजेस्टेड फूड बॉडी से रिमूव हो जाता है.
Okay, वो तो हो गया ना, हमने बोल दिया ना कि it's also following the 5 steps. तो उसमें
Digestion में आ जाता है.
ejection भी तो आ गया. See, both are heterotroph. We both are heterotroph. Amoeba is also heterotroph. We are also heterotroph. This is also a similarity between us and amoeba. Okay. What is the difference? What is the difference? Who can tell me the difference?
Amoeba is having pseudopodia.
Amoeba is having pseudopodia.
We are multicellular organism and amoeba is unicellular organism.
Okay, Vaishali, very good. That they are unicellular, we are multi. See, these are the similarities which I told you, right? That both amoeba and human being are heterotroph, and both our organism undergo 5 steps of nutrition. And what are the differences? ये तो similarities हो गई कि हम ये सारे steps follow करते हैं nutrition के, right? And differences क्या हो गए? That amoeba का कोई digestive system नहीं है. All the components of food are digested in the food vacuole only, and we are having a proper digestive system with us, right? With proper alimentary tract and other. Okay, and human beings का बहुत complex digestive system है ना? अलग अलग organs हैं हमारे पास, different steps of digestion है जो कि अलग अलग organs में होता है, but it's not like them. Okay, so here I'm finished with my chapter. Is anybody having any doubt? They may ask. Otherwise, I'm going to start with the test now.
No, ma'am, no problem.
Okay, now I'm stop sharing this, and now I'm going to share the test with you guys. Okay. So ready for the test, everyone? Attendance I'll take. Don't worry. It's my headache. Why you guys are getting? Okay. I'm going to start with that, and for that I have to share my screen, right? Okay, I'll do one thing. How I'll be able to know who are present? First, I'll take your attendance so that I'll be able to call your names.
Ma'am,
Yes, dear.
मैम आप एक से एक क्वेश्चन पूछोगे या सबको जवाब देना एक साथ?
No, I'll call the name, and only that student has to unmute himself.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. That's why I want to take attendance first, na? All right. Akash Singh. According to roll number, you guys can unmute yourself. Aryan Singh. Akash Singh. Asta Sharma. Abhijit Kasana. Aditya Sen. Anupriya. Anurag Gehlot. Bhumika Devanda. Aryan Singh.
Present, ma'am.
चुपचाप रह सकते हैं ना हम क्लास में, या फिर म्यूट करके रखिए खुद को. Why you were singing a song? हाँ आर्यन. भूमिका देवांदा. चार्वी माथुर. Okay, Chavi. Chitna Samnani. Chavi Kanwar.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Chavi. Chitra Vashisht.
Present, ma'am.
All right, Chitra. Devesh Motwani.
Present, ma'am.
आप खेलेंगे अभी देवेश
Present, ma'am.
तो क्लास ऑन करके और गेम खेलते हो शुड आई टॉक टू योर पेरेंट्स हाँ आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू एंटरटेन यू रिमेंबर देवेश यस दिलखुश बैरवा हर्षवर्धन अर्शित गुप्ता
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
मंजू रानी इशिका वर्धन
Present, ma'am.
तनिष्क मेहरा तनिष्क मेहरा Tanishk, from tomorrow I don't want these emojis with your name. Karishma, Karthik, Komal, Kushal, Laksh Kumar. Laksh, is Laksh there with me? Laksh,
Ma'am, Laksh है.
then why he is not giving response? Lavesh Kriplani,
Present, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
get the response. I am not going to mark the present. Lavesh Kriplani.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Lavesh, Narayan. Beta, speak quickly. I'm not having that much of time.
मम्मी वो ना वो थैली भी ले गई क्या?
Ma'am, Narayan है.
This is one month, then mute yourself, Kanishk. Tejaswini Mishra.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Pankaj.
मैम मेरा नाम तो आया ही नहीं.
I called your name, Palak.
मैम आई एम प्रेजेंट.
I
आपके
have
पास
marked.
वॉइस नहीं है.
Pankaj Pamnani.
Ma'am, I am present.
Don't unmute together. According to your roll numbers, you will unmute yourself. Prashant Kumar. Pankaj Pamnani. Rani Rajor. Lakshmi Shekhawat. Rashmi. Rishita Sen. Ritika.
Present, ma'am.
Saksham Singh. Saksham Singh. Jay Mathur. Suntal.
Present, ma'am.
Present.
Present, ma'am.
Suntal. तन्मय
I'm present.
जल्दी लगा दी बेटा मैंने
Okay, ma'am.
I'm Shivraj भी present है.
earlier.
Ma'am, Saksham Sen is also present.
Guys, don't speak when I call your name. Who Saksham? Saksham Singh or Saksham Sen?
Ma'am, Saksham Sen.
Saksham Sen.
Ma'am.
तन्मय उदयभान सिंह उर्वशी साहू
Present, ma'am.
वैशाली सांगवान
Present, ma'am.
वर्षा चौहान
Present, ma'am.
Manish Bhojwani. Kumar. Rakshit. Ashika Jain. Rashika Jain. Saksham Sen, I have marked. Sakshi Sharma.
कौन है?
Sakshi Sharma.
पुराना प्रेजेंट.
Sleeping Hardik Khurana earlier when I called your name. Sakshi
Present ma'am.
Srishti Rathore.
Present ma'am. Present ma'am.
Raj Singh is present. Okay, Shiva.
Present, ma'am.
Shivan is absent. Shagun. Anya Sharma. Tejaswini Sharma. Upendra Singh.
थोड़ा सा और भाई पबजी खेलेगा क्या?
What happened?
मैम रिपीट द नेम.
Anshika.
प्रेजेंट मैम.
Varun. Michelle. Yash. Yashita. Yuvraj. Yashita is present. Yuvraj is present. Okay, Yashita, Yuvraj, I have marked present for you guys. But after giving random answer again, you guys will mute yourself. Remember. Or I'll do one thing. I'll call the another name. Okay. अगर एक जना answer नहीं दे पाएगा, then I'll call the another name. Please don't unmute together.
Yeah, ma'am.
All right. It will make the class messy. Now let me start. Yes, Devansha, I have marked present for you.
मैम आप किसी एक चैप्टर का टेस्ट लोगे या दोनों का?
This chapter only. Okay.
Test of chapter 1.
मैम ओनली सेकंड चैप्टर.
अभी तो मैं इसी का ले रही हूँ. And when I'll take the mock test, then I'll go with both the chapters. Okay. Be
Okay,
ready for the mock test on tomorrow. Be ready for the mock test on tomorrow in Google Form. Okay, I may take. It's up to me.
मैम
Yes.
कल आपका पीरियड ही नहीं है.
Whenever my next class will be, you just have to be ready. Yes, what happened?
मैम आप ये जो भी सारे क्लास टेस्ट ले रहे हैं इनके मार्क्स जुड़ेंगे क्या?
आते हैं चलो. ठीक है. Because I am noting that who are giving me the responses and who are not. So be ready.
Okay.
I may take your test tomorrow on Google Form. Okay? You just have to keep yourself signed in with Google. सबका Google account बना हुआ होगा. All right? In Zoom class only.
मैम मदर के नाम से बना हुआ है.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. It hardly
Okay, ma'am.
matters. Mute yourself and sit at a peaceful place. If you want to do that, if you want to keep yourself muted, unmuted every time, sit at a lonely place, peaceful environment. All right, now I'm going to share my screen with you guys.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let me know whether it is visible to you. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so now
Yes, ma'am, visible.
I'm calling one name, only he or she has to unmute. Okay, Aryan Singh. Aryan Singh, am I audible to you, dear?
Acid.
Aryan Singh. Nobody will give the random answer. Aryan Singh, give me the response whether you are able to give the answer or not, dear. Aryan Singh, are you there on your place?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you answer this question? Bacteria act on the leftover food in the teeth and form. Which option you would like to choose? Aryan?
Acid.
Okay. I'm splitting your answer. Keep on remembering the question number you are answering because I'm going to show you the responses also.
Blue-black.
Whether you have given the correct answer or not. Okay, question number yaad rakhna. Next, I'm going to
Blue-black.
Charvi. Charvi? Yes, Charvi?
Blue-black.
Charvi Mathur. According to roll numbers only, I'll call your names. So be attentive. Charvi Mathur. Chavi Kamar. Chavi.
Can I give?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Give me the response for this question.
Ma'am, blue-black.
All right. Next question goes to Chitra. Yes, Chitra?
Ma'am, human.
Okay. Next question goes to Devesh. Devesh Motwani. Devesh Motwani.
Amino acids.
So when I call your name, say yes, ma'am. At least give me the response first. Answer to मुझे बाद में चाहिए, Devesh. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, carbohydrate get broken into
Amino acids.
तो प्रोटीन किस में ब्रेक होंगे फिर?
Glucose.
Who gave this answer?
Amino acid.
Ma'am, me, Yuvraj.
युवराज. आपको तो बीच में बोलना जरूरी होता है नहीं युवराज? Don't give these random answers. Let him try na at least once. Okay, next question goes to Harshit Gupta. Harshit Gupta. Harshit के बाद है turn हिमांशु उत्तानी की, then Ishika Mathur, then Kanishk Mehra. Okay, so be ready, three of you. Yes, Harshit Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Are hearing things are called?
Premolars.
Huh?
Canals.
I want the answer only from Harshit. Don't give correct answer.
Canals.
Harshit, be sure for your answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Nice. Okay, I'm submitting this. Next question goes to Himanshu Udrani. Yes, Himanshu? Sorry. Yes. Hydrochloric acid is secreted in the
Liver.
Sure.
Liver.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Should I submit your answer? Question number याद रखना अपना बेटा.
Ma'am, can I speak the answer?
Yes.
Ma'am, stomach.
Exactly. हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड स्टमक में नहीं होता क्या? एसिडिक मीडियम हो जाता है, उससे पेप्सिन भी एक्टिवेट हो जाता है, एंड उसी हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड से बचाने के लिए स्टमक में म्यूकस भी सिक्रीट होता है. Again, we have revised this chapter. All right. Next question goes to Ishika Mathur. Ishika Mathur.
Large intestine.
Okay, the response.
Large intestine.
Okay, this answer.
Hardik Swami.
Hardik.
Swami, have I called your name, beta? Are you Ishika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ishika. Read this question and give me the answer.
Dash absorbs the digested food. Ma'am, large intestine.
Yeah.
Digested food एब्जॉर्ब होता है श्योरली. Random answer from anyone.
Oesophagus.
Small intestine. Small intestine.
Intestine. Small intestine. Large intestine. I'm small intestine.
Mute yourself. All right.
Undigested food.
Hey, don't give answers like this.
MC.
Hardik Swami, should I remove you from the class? Let
I'm
others
undigested.
answer. The walls of large intestine absorb.
Undigested food.
You're wrong. Let me go to Kanishk. Kanishk Mehra.
Undigested food.
Hardik. Kanishk Mehra.
Ma'am, I can tell answer.
Kanishk, am I audible to you? Give me the response first. Kanishk. Mehra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mehra. Large intestines की walls क्या absorb करती हैं?
Undigested food.
Yes, excess water is the correct answer. Next question goes to Laksh. Laksh Kumar. Yes, Laksh, give me the response for this. Compound stomach is found in
Cow.
Hey, answers. Don't
Amovia.
give answers. Otherwise, answers.
Yes मैम, दूसरे बच्चों का यही दे देते हैं.
Okay.
हम हार्दिक स्वामी को पहले.
हाँ मैम, ये हार्दिक स्वामी बीच में बोल रहा है.
Hardik, Yuvraj,
Yes,
keep yourself
ma'am.
muted. When I call your name, then only you have to unmute yourself. This time, if you will give the random answer, I'll remove you from the class, remember. Okay, Kawa, I'm submitting. The next question goes to Lavesh Kriplani. Lavesh?
Mucus.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Lavesh? Say yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I give answer?
No,
Ma'am, can I give?
Lavesh give. Let Lavesh try. Yes, Lavesh. Read the question. Yes. Villi. Folds on the inner wall are known as villi. All right. Ojaswini, now I want to hear from you.
Assimilation.
मैम देवांश बोल रहा है.
Yes मैम, देवांश भी बोल रहे हैं.
अबे ओ, मैंने नहीं बोला है अभी तक.
हार्दिक स्वामी को तो पहले भी कहा. देवांश और हार्दिक स्वामी.
Yes मैम.
Stop taking your test if you will give the random answers like this. Don't do this, beta. Let everybody give the answer. Okay? Now only one person whose name will be called, he or she will unmute. Test देना है तो ऐसे थोड़ी दोगे. Again, I'm going to share. Will you be managed now?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me check.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, Palak, give me the response for this.
Ma'am, इसका आंसर होगा addition.
Okay. I'm submitting your answer. Next question goes to Rashmi. Rashmi? Rashmi Shawat.
Can I tell?
Rashmi?
Yes ma'am.
Hydrophilic acid.
Rashmi?
Sorry, bile juice.
Who gave this response?
मैम ये देवांश अभी भी दे रहा है.
मैम
Devansh,
देवांश.
Devansh, you wait for your turn, Devansh. Yes, Rashmi, I know you have learned this chapter. Rashmi, give me the response.
Ma'am, mucus.
Starch को sugar में, saliva में क्या present होता है? Have you read the 4 options?
Hydronic acid.
Hydrochloric acid present होता है आपके mouth में?
No ma'am.
तो
Bile juice.
Bile juice.
तो माउथ में ही होती है.
Bile juice.
Bile juice.
वेरी नाइस. बेटा चारों ऑप्शन बोल दो.
मैम मैं बताऊं?
बोलो. स्पीक अप.
Amylase.
Yes. Who gave this answer?
Ma'am Pari.
Okay, Pari, good. Amylase enzyme is present in your saliva, okay, which is responsible for the breakdown of starch into sugar. All right, dash is the simplest form of protein. Now the next turn goes with Ritika. Ritika Kalwani.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Which option you would choose?
Fatty acids.
Proteins. तो फैट किस में होंगे? कन्वर्ट. अगर प्रोटीन फैटी एसिड में कन्वर्ट होगा तो फैट किस में कन्वर्ट होंगे रितिका?
Ma'am, fatty acids. Ma'am, sorry, C option.
Ma'am can I tell? Ma'am may I tell? Ma'am मैं बताऊं? Ma'am मैं बताऊं? Ma'am मैं बताऊं? मैं बताऊंगी.
Yes, amino acids.
Yes, ma'am. Amino acid.
Yes, fats get transferred into fatty acid and glycerol, ना? Protein amino acid में ही तो होंगे convert. What happened, Ritika? Okay, next question goes to Sujal.
Ma'am इसमें same option.
Amino digested food in the
Pseudopodia.
मैम ये मैंने नहीं बोला, किसी और ने बोला है.
हाँ, आप give me the answer. I know your voice.
Ma'am मैं बताऊं?
Pseudopodia
है. Ma'am B option 2 बार आके.
कोई बात नहीं. Amoeba digested food in the
मैम food vacuole.
Ma'am मैं बताऊं?
मैम food vacuole.
Right. Next question goes to Vaishali Sangwan. Vaishali?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, digestion of dash takes place in the stomach.
All of these.
All right. Urvashi?
Yes
Urvashi
ma'am.
Sahu?
Yes ma'am.
The alimentary canal help in the mastication of food. Which option you would like to choose, Urvashi?
B.
Salivary gland.
Mastication. Mastication is like chewing. Yes,
Ma'am, can I?
Urvashi, quick. How much time you will take? Teeth. क्या हो गया? ध्यान का है? Next question goes to Varsha Sangwan. Varsha?
The mouth.
Okay. I'm submitting your answer. Next question goes to Bhumika Sharma. Bhumika? Bhumika, am I audible to you, beta?
She left the class. मैं बताऊं?
Okay.
मैं बताऊं?
Woman.
मैं बताऊं? मैम परी ने पहले वाला आंसर बोला था.
Okay.
मैंने नहीं बताया. मैम बताऊं? मैम मैं बताऊं?
Rumen.
Sir,
Rumen.
मैम मैं बताऊं?
मैं बताऊं?
anybody can give answer.
Omesum.
Okay, total number of teeth present. Random answer.
32. 32.
It's not common in set.
16.
मैम 30.
Ma'am 32.
Oh, temporary set.
20. Yes, ma'am 20 होगा इसका आंसर. 20. Yes, ma'am 20 है.
Okay, process by which the food is taken inside the body.
Ingestion.
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 उन्होंने आंसर गलत दिए देखो। अच्छा ये वाला तो इसी में ही गलत है, ब्लू ब्लैक ही होता है। एंड वन मोर इज रॉन्ग, वो भी सही था, वो इसके अंदर ही गलत है। डाइजेशन सबका ही होता है उसके अंदर। ओके, ऑल द आंसर्स वी हैव डन करेक्टली। सो टुमारो बी रेडी फॉर अनदर टेस्ट।
Yes, ma'am. Okay,
मैम
ma'am.
बस एक आंसर ही गलत था क्या?
No, beta, that was also correct. It was not mentioned. Only mentioned in that form. Correct on our place. Okay.
मैम वो
मेरा सही
टेस्ट
था क्या?
वाले
Prove
ऐप का
actual?
नाम बता दो। मैम
Guys, may take a all right. And again, when we meet, be ready for the Google assessment.
यस मैम वो ऐप का नाम बता दो। मैम तेरे को ही पूछना है, मेरा प्रेजेंट मार्क किया है ना आपने?
Yes, I have. Then too, I'll take this screenshot once again because
मैम वो ऐप का नाम बता दो।
क्रिएटिव किड्स
आपका नाम बता दो।
क्रिएटिव किड्स डिजिटल
मैम पोस्टल टेस्ट के मार्क्स का पता चलेंगे।
when was the last date for submission, Sujal? When was your last date of submission, dear?
मैम 1 जुलाई।
When was the last date of submission?
यस मैम।
यस मैम सबमिट 1 जुलाई को ही किया था।
यस मैम जुलाई को किया था।
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। When I'll check, I'll give you the marks. So I'll show you the screenshot.
ओके मैम।
Okay. Any other
Thank you,
doubt
ma'am.
anybody is having?
नो मैम।
All right, then take a break of 5-10 minutes. Thank you so much for today's class.
ओके मैम।
Okay. Have a good day,
थैंक यू
everyone.
मैम।
थैंक यू मैम। सेम टू यू मैम। थैंक यू मैम।
All of you are my lovely kids. Stay blessed and safe. Bye.
बाय मैम।
Ravi sir, I'm having next class. May I leave? Excuse me, Ravi sir.